LipoFit is being promoted as a smarter way to lose weight, claiming over 500,000 success stories and marketing itself as a doctor-recommended formula made in the USA. According to the website, LipoFit is manufactured in a certified facility, GMP certified, premium grade, 100% natural, non-GMO, vegan, and third-party lab tested. The site also warns users to avoid counterfeits on third-party marketplaces and says this is the original formula shipped directly from the lab. On the surface, it looks very professional and trustworthy, but as always, it's important to slow down and look beyond the marketing. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags you should be aware of before trusting or buying LipoFit. One of the biggest concerns with products like this is the way weight loss is advertised. The website heavily pushes the idea of easy, fast results, sometimes implying dramatic weight loss without strict dieting or exercise. This kind of messaging is very common in questionable supplement marketing. Real and healthy weight loss depends on multiple factors like nutrition, physical activity, sleep, and metabolism, not just a capsule. When a product sounds like a shortcut or miracle solution, that's usually a warning sign. Another issue is the lack of strong, independent reviews. When a product truly has hundreds of thousands of real users, you would expect to see reviews on neutral platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, health forums, or coverage by well-known health or fitness websites. With LipoFit, most of the praise appears to come directly from the official website itself. There's also very little discussion from independent doctors, dietitians, or nutrition experts, which makes the trust claims harder to verify. Ingredient transparency is another important concern. While the site promotes natural and plant-based ingredients, consumers should always be able to clearly see a full ingredient list with exact dosages. Without that, it's impossible to confirm what you're actually putting into your body. This becomes even more serious when you consider that a similarly named product, LipoFit Turbo, was flagged by the US FDA in the past for containing undeclared prescription drug ingredients. Even though that warning may not specifically name this exact product, it raises serious concerns about the category and the risks involved. Scientific evidence is also lacking. Many weight loss supplements claim to support metabolism, fat burning, or hormone balance, but very few have credible, peer-reviewed studies backing those exact claims. Marketing terms like clinically proven or scientific breakthrough are often used loosely without linking to real published research. When bold claims don't match solid evidence, that's another red flag you shouldn't ignore. The sales tactics used on the website are also worth mentioning. Urgent messages like limited stock warnings, countdown timers, and pressure to buy immediately are classic online funnel techniques designed to rush you into a decision before you have time to research properly. On top of that, many supplement sites advertise money-back guarantees, but customers later report refund difficulties, hidden conditions, or even recurring subscription charges they didn't clearly agree to. Another thing that raises eyebrows is the product's absence from trusted retail platforms. Legitimate supplements are often available through major online marketplaces, pharmacies, or well-known health stores, where customers can leave verified reviews. When a product is sold only through its own website and nowhere else, it limits transparency and accountability. Finally, it's important to remember that weight loss supplements are a category frequently warned about by the FDA due to hidden ingredients and misleading claims. Even if a specific product hasn't been named yet, the overall risk in this space is real and documented. So, is LipoFit legit or a scam? At this point, it falls into a high-risk, questionable category due to aggressive marketing, lack of independent verification, unclear ingredient transparency, and concerns tied to similar products. If you're considering weight loss, it's always safer to consult a qualified healthcare professional and focus on proven lifestyle changes rather than trusting bold promises online.